Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design YouTube thumbnails for clients. Create a new canvas, standard YouTube size. Fill background with a gradient or blurred image. Import the client photo and cut it cleanly. Now add glow and shadow behind to make it pop. Use bold, readable fonts for title text. Stick to 3 to 4 words max for best impact. Add light flares or arrow shapes for attractions. Match the color scheme with client branding. Test visibility. 25% zoom. Thumbnail clarity matters. Your PSD for future updates. Export JPG under 2 MB. Send a preview mockup on a YouTube layout. Thanks for